Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to work on a one automation which will help us to clean the file from the folder. For example, that we do have. Let me show you the folder first. So here we do have a one folder by the name of DT. So here in the DT that we do have the mix up of all the files where we do have the PNG file, JPG, XLX, PDF, zip file, and so on. And maybe in your case it can be more than that. You might would have your PPT, Word file, Notepad, and so many things. But here the task is that when you will have such a messy folder where you have the various kind of the extent where you have that various kind of the files, okay, which has a different extension, and now you want to clean that. So what is the requirement here? The requirement here that for example that when I will run that particular automation, so what should happen exactly in the existing folder inside the DT, for example, that here we do have a one extension which is PDF. So here the one PDF should get created .pdf, and in that particular PDF my all the files of PDF from this folder to that folder, okay, should move, so that my all the file will move in the different folder where I can easily identify this folder belongs to the PDF, this folder belongs to the XLX, this folder belongs to PNG. So that will be the easy way, okay, to clean the file, to clean the folder, and to identify our exact file, right? So here let's start. So through VBA we are going to do that. Through VBA we will do it, okay, we will do it. For that we would need one external library which will be Microsoft scripting runtime. This is the library you guys will have to enable for FSO. So FSO, your FSO is file system system object, okay. This is what you will have to enable. So here, for example, let me create one button. So when I will run it, so what should exactly happen? So for example, run, okay. Now let's press Alt F11, add one module, Alt IM, start writing your code, sub procedure, file cleaner, for example, okay. And now go in the tools, go in the references, Microsoft scripting runtime, okay. This is what you will have to enable. Once you did it, now let's start doing it. Dim FSO as new file system object, folder F1 as file, dim k as an integer, okay. Here it should be dynamic. So first let's save this file in this particular file, so that when I will attach this file in the description box, from there you guys can download it, and easily you just need to keep it in your in your folder, okay, where you have your messy folder, and then just you need to paste it and run it, okay. It will automatically identify your folder, but your folder should be by the name of DT, okay. So right here, file cleaner automation, okay. Let's save it in the binary, save it, okay. Alt F1, here you should have now set FSO as new file system. Already we did it in the above code, but it's okay. Folder FSO dot get folder, right here this workbook dot path. In this particular path I do have my folder by the name of DT, okay. That's what I did. Now I just want to run my all the file, I mean I want to run my loop in that particular folder, okay, in all, I mean on all the files. So for each F1 in folder dot files. So initially what I want, so initially I would like to have my all the file in K column file. Here in the K column I would like to print my all the extensions. So in the extension, what exactly we need to do, let's run it, okay. Here you have to k equal to 1, then range a ampersand k dot value. Your all the extension should be there, you have to write simple f1 dot path. So when you will run it, So what exactly is happening? Nothing is coming. Why? F1 is path. Okay. K equal to K plus 1 also. Now let's run it. F5. But in the F5, you know what is happening? Instead of A, I would like to have it in the K column. No? So here, instead of A, put it here as K. Now run it. As soon as you did it, your all the path is here. And in all this path that we do have the different extension, guys, right? So exactly what we need to do, but we only want the value, okay, after the, full stop. So what exactly we can, write here dynamic function right here VBA dot mid, okay, then same paste it, then here worksheet dot function find, and after dot I would like to have my all the f1 dot path 1 plus 1999. Now when you will run it, you will have only your extension. Look here, this is the extension file only. Okay, so what we need is, okay, what we need is, it's done. Now after that, now we have to remove the duplicates. So here range in k1 dot entire column dot remove duplicates 1. That's it. Now when I press F5, so now I do have my unique values. Okay, so here I want my with this one. Let's, okay, it's okay. Okay, now again we have to run the loop in the same folder for each f1 in folders.files. Okay, next f1, here we have to take care, here we have to give the condition. Okay, here we have to do the nested loop. So for k, from this row I would like to run my loop of one next in particular column, which is k column, for one row number, from row number 1 to the dynamic cells rows dot count k dot end excelup dot row next k, and here I would like to run my loop for each f1 in folders dot files next f1. After that, here I would like to give the condition if. Now what do you need to do it, you will have to just copy this, just copy it. If this value is equal to dot simple xlx, okay, or not, or simple. Once you did it, now create a loop, create a one folder mkdir. This will help you to create your folder, this workbook dot path. Okay, here you have to create the folder by the name of range a ampersand k dot value, not a, this should be also k dot value. This will help you to create your path. Just copy this path, it will help you again. Now here what you need to do, if but fso dot move file, simple source, your source will be f1 dot path, this will be your source, right? Once you did it, I would like to move my file in this particular folder. Okay, but here we have to give the condition. The condition is very simple. Okay, this is the file path. Okay, after that what we need to do, here we are going to run a loop. Okay, the folder now has been created. Now we have to run one more loop. Here we can give the condition. What exactly we need to, now we need to identify the extension. If extension, whatever will be the extension, okay, that file should move to the particular folder. So we do have that particular file. Okay, now here run it. If VBA dot mid, if VBA dot mid, and after that f1 dot path, okay, then worksheet dot function find, then full stop f1 dot path plus 1, then 999. If this is equal to your range k ampersand k dot value, then file should fso dot move, the file should move from f1, this path, I mean this file should move to your folder this one. Okay, and if, and message box should be done. This line, this is the code which will help us. This seems very small code because we have minimized a lot of lines here. Okay, but once, but if you will look at the, if you will look at on another side, that when it comes about to clean the file, so now how easy a life becomes, okay, when you have something which can help you to clean your folder quickly in just seconds, right? So now let's run it and we'll see, okay, is it really working fine or not. Let's assign it. Okay, I just saved it. I only have these two files, the one folder, one file. I'm clicking on it. As soon as I clicked, so it says what it says. This workbook dot path. Okay, then XLX. What is the problem range? K. Okay, it says what is the error? Path file access error. So do we have a by file? XLX we already have that, right? So once this is run, and let me see my all the files has been moved or not. Yeah, look, my file now has been moved, okay, in the different sheet. But why I'm getting error, that's what actually I need to check only. So here it says k ampersand. Oh, you know what is the problem, guys? I have understood. Look, the column K. In column K, that I have removed the file. I have removed the duplicates here, but I said the header should be there. And I'm running my loop from the row number one, which means that dot xlx. This xlx is again repeating here, which means again already this folder is existing again when it comes about to creating it. So it is throwing us error. So what exactly we need to do? We have to simple dot no. Now when again I will move my all the files, let me delete everything, let me delete everything, and now let me, hmm, there's a problem. Okay, now what we can do, we can simply move the file, just copy and paste it here. Okay, delete it, copy, paste it here, delete it, copy, paste it here, delete it, now copy, paste it here. And now you look, we do have a lot of files here. Okay, we do have lot of files. I would like to clean it. I do already have this particular automation. When I will click on it, as soon as I will click on it, you look, my task is done. No error I have got. Now you look, JPG, all the JP files. JP, that's files. PDF, this is the PDF one. This is a PNG, right? This is all the Excel file. This is your zip file. Now look how how easy now it is. Okay, to clean your files. Okay, when you have some messy folder, right? So that is something I think, guys, will help you a lot to do such a automation, and this automation is really very helpful, guys. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.